Well, I'm Brian Kippers, and I purchased a brand new GT53, black with the red interior. I worked with Deon. It was great. He knows a lot about the car that I bought, as well as a lot about all the Mercedes entire product lineup. There's a lot I like about the car that I purchased. Probably the most is the responsiveness. You give it gas, it goes, handles great, looks awesome. So that's not just one thing, it's a lot, but there's a lot of things I like about that car. I've never been to Feldmann before. That was my first time at the dealership. The dealership obviously is brand new building. I was referred here from a friend of mine who's brought cars here to be serviced, and he's bought like one car in the past. So he definitely told me to make sure you go to Feldmann for a purchase. So that's kind of what brought me to the dealership to start with. You know, Deon was really the lead, and then he introduced me to the sales manager, brought me through the finance and service. So everybody else I needed to talk to at the dealership, he was the quarterback behind the whole deal. You know, there's a lot of inventory here, which I was surprised. Deon and I worked on another car, which is very, very similar to the car that I bought. But after looking at that, I chose a new car as opposed to the used one. So they had both options, new and used here at the dealership. So overall, the experience is great. Again, the dealership is fantastic, brand new building. Doesn't feel like a car dealership. Feels like you go into, I don't know, a nice club. So it's really, really nice. So it's a good place to do business. Hi, I'm Brian, and I purchased a Mercedes-Benz GT53, brand new 2022.